Hello everyone, I am Akansha Pinjarkar. Here I am presenting a topic that's a biosensor and its application. In this, I will go to explain some basic thing regarding the biosensor and its application. These are the contents of my presentation. Let us have some brief idea regarding the biosensor. If a person having a diabetes or he is diagnosed by the diabetes, what's the first question came in a mind that a regular glucose monitoring is necessary for knowing the blood glucose level. It is not possible to wait for a report for an hour or a day. The quick results are necessary for a doctor as well as a patient for making the important decision about the medicine, what we call as a medication. For this, you all know that we use a glucometer which give us result within a minute, which avoid unnecessary hospital visit and also enable self-management of the health and diet. Have you ever wondered what is this a glucometer is? These glucometers are the biosensor. We will see later how they work. Now moving towards the topic, that is what are the biosensors. Biosensors, that is they are the biological sensor. We know that a sensor is a device that detects the change in a physical quantity and convert it into the quantity that can be measured or analyzed. Similarly, a biosensor is a device which converts a biological signal, just mark my word, I said here the biological signal into the more useful electrical signal that can be measured. The first biosensor was developed and discovered by the Leland C. Clark in 1956 for an oxygen detection. All the modern day biosensors are based on his discovery, and he is also known as the father of biosensors. Biosensor is an analytical device. The biosensor involve the quantitative analysis of a various substances by converting their biological action into the measurable signal. The biosensors are used in almost all fields like medicine, engineering, nanotechnology, cancer diagnosis, DNA analysis, food analysis, wastewater treatment, etc. Now, what are the advantages of using the biosensor? They are a pollution free, environmental friendly, easily available, inexpensive, they are reusable, and plus they gives a quick result. The biosensors are quite powerful and innovative in the recent day. Now, moving towards the next point, that is a classification of the biosensors. The biosensors are get classified on the basis of the transducer, that is the detector element. On the basis of the transducer, the biosensors are classified as an electronic, optical that deals with the optical measurement principle, magnetic biosensor that measure the magnetic field, piezoelectric, or what we can say it has an isoelectric biosensors that basically deals or work on the principle of the affinity interaction recording, and that deals with the crystal center. And the gravimetric, that gravimetric record the amount of analyte versus a time. Generally the gas sensors are a good example of the gravimetric sensor. Then next one is a pyroelectric. The pyroelectric biosensor that deals with the detection of the EMR, same dealing with the crystal. That is the EMR that deals with the crystal that is detected by the pyroelectric center. This is all about the classification of the biosensors on the basis of the transducer. We all must be wondering that how these biosensors actually work. What is the principle? What is the working principle of this biosensor? We know that a biosensor is a piece of the hardware that interact with a biological signal for either a diagnosis or a therapeutic purpose. The biosensors generally work on the principle of the signal transduction and a biorecognition of the element. The general instrumentation consists of the analyte. Now, what is this analyte? The substance of interest that is needed for a detection is an analyte. The next one is a bioreceptor. The molecule that recognize the analyte is a bioreceptor. Next one is a transducer. The transducer that convert the one form of the energy into the another is a transducer. The process is known as a signalization. Next one is the electronics. The electronic is a part of the biosensor that process the transduced signal into the measurable, that is, and prepare it for a display, that is, it amplify and the quantify the process signal. And last one is a display, that is, we get a readout of our signal. The three process follow in the general working principle, that is a biorecognition, signalization and the quantification. This is all about the working principle of the biosensor. The first application of the biosensor is the glucometer as the biosensor. The glucometer or a glucose sensor is a clinically applied biosensor for a glucose detection. This invention has revolutionized the way of a diabetic management. In general, the glucometer have the monitor and a test strip which is act as an electrode. Each test strip contain an enzyme called as a glucose oxidase that react with the blood glucose. That is, a glucose is a reducing sugar that react with the blood glucose and convert it to the gluconic acid. This gluconic acid react with another enzyme present on a test strip, that is an ferricyanide, and get converted to the ferrocyanide. These ferrocyanide is actually get detected by flowing the electric current. Generally, the electric current generated is directly proportional to the concentration of the glucose. This is what a reaction that happen when the glucose react with a strip enzyme, that is a glucose oxidase, that forms the gluconic acid. These are some sort of the other applications of the biosensors like a disease detection, environmental monitoring, food quality monitoring, water quality testing, agriculture application that basically concern with the detection of the pesticides, environmental monitoring concern used to detect the chemical pollution. In an industries, it measure the carbohydrate, alcohols and acid during the quality control processes. These are the use of the biosensors in a various field, that is, which are mentioned over here. As here I am explaining about the biosensor, how could I miss one of the recent application of the biosensor? That is, I would like to discuss here one of the recent application of the biosensor, which is a transistor based COVID-19 biosensor, which is used for a testing of the COVID. In the scientists have created a transistor based biosensors that rapidly detect the COVID-19 virus with a high sensitivity. You can see here, if the virus is there, then the display shows the signal. If the virus is absent, then display doesn't show any kind of the signal over there, and the person tests for a negative. These are nothing but these are the biosensors. Now, after that, a various development also take place in the biosensors regarding the COVID-19 testing. Okay, these are the references. Thank you so much for listening this carefully and have a good day. Thank you.